Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to merge two columns using Power Query. Click on the transform data icon. Here, I will create a new merge column by merging business unit column with product type column. Right-click on the business unit column and then select duplicate column. Create a duplicate column for product type also. Then press Ctrl key and select both columns. From the transform ribbon, select merge column icon. Merge column window will pop up. I will select space as a separator and name the new column as merge. A new column named merged is created. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and check out other Power BI videos.